Hello, mathematicians. This is Miss Gla, and today is Thursday, September the 24th, 2020. We are going to continue our learning on fractions, and today's objectives are we will know how to compare fractions with the same denominators using less than, greater than, or equal symbols. We will understand fractions with like denominators can be compared using the numerators. We will also be able to use our prior knowledge of comparing to determine the greater fraction based on the area or region. What does it mean to compare? Well, we have learned to compare whole numbers in the beginning of in the beginning of the semester. We also know that when we're comparing something, we're trying to see what an item or whatever we're comparing has alike, or what do they have that's the same, or it could be what do they have that's different. So if we look at some of our examples here, we can use comparing to determine the weight to see which is heaviest, which is lightest. We can also see where we can compare two numbers to see which number is the greater number or the lesser number. So we know that 30 is greater than 22. We can also see where the numbers 2 are the same, and we have two thumbs up, thumbs down symbol, and we can see that they're very different, and they have different meanings because thumbs up can mean like you're correct or you agree. Thumbs down, you disagree, as well as the color is different. We also know that at the beginning of the year, we have studied comparing numbers, and we use our less than, greater than, or equal to symbols to determine if a number is greater or less than the other number based on place value. So here we have the number 4012, and we have the number 4102. We know that the fours in the thousands place both have a value of 4,000, and that they are the same. We also know that since the digits in the thousands place are the same, we have to now go to the hundreds place to compare. So we have a 0 in the hundreds place in the number 4012, and we have a 1 in the hundreds place in the number 4102. So if we're looking at the hundreds place, we can see that the 0 in the hundreds place is less than the 1 in the hundreds place. So therefore we would need our less than symbol to compare the number 4012 to the number 4102, because 0 is less than 1.